To remove the hashtag ref error in Excel, watch this video. The hashtag ref error occurs when a reference in your formula is invalid, often due to deleting cells, rows, or columns referenced in the formula. Firstly, let's understand it with a practical example. Imagine you're calculating a student's percentage using Excel. In C3, you enter the obtained marks, e.g., 450. In C4, you enter the maximum marks, e.g., 600. In C5, the percentage is calculated using a formula. The formula looks like this. Now, if you delete C4, i.e. the cell containing the maximum marks, the formula in C5 will show the hashtag ref error. This happens because the reference to C4 is no longer valid. How to fix it? Click on the cell showing hashtag ref, in this case, C5, and review the formula in the formula bar. Replace the hashtag ref in the formula with a valid reference or value. For example, if the maximum marks are still 600, update the formula to equal C3/600*100. If the data in C4 was deleted by mistake, re-enter the cell reference C4 again. Enter maximum marks in C4, and the formula will automatically fix itself. If you have found this video helpful, please like, comment, and share.